Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you uh, how to manage allowing people to create with and reuse your content on Instagram easy and quickly. So first of all, enter Instagram, then go to your profile icon, profile section, and then click on these three lines here, and then scroll down to this section, sharing and reuse. Now as you see here, we have this allow people to create with and reuse your content. So here you can turn this on, the posts on and off, so it's already turned it on. And also we have the reels, so this is up to you if you want to. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.